كل أحد.
Alright, I have to say this. Since I posted last Advent Day Canada video a day late, I guess I'll have to. If I don't want to get this one very late, I guess I won't. I have no choice than to just do this simply without editing. Anyways, it's the 11th day of the Advent Calendar, and it's random lift sort time. Alright, so today we are Thaddeus Building V2, which was my mod Thaddeus Building. Anyways, this first bright really is this. It's an old hanging photo, looks like from the 90s. I'm going to send this lift back to M1 and get the left one. So the atrium. Anyways, let's get back down. Basement. Now to release from basement to 16. No, I mean 8 to 16. Isn't that something? Way too glitched. Now to release from 16 to 24. So this is my model phase building I made. I made one in 2017, but now this one looks far better. Now to release from 24 to 32, which were empties, but in this mod I made them to M lines, or my conic V. I like this cab design. Oh dear, I got a phone call. I guess I'll be right back. Anyways, I had to attend a phone call, but now I'm back. I just right up to this from 32 to 40. Those are the three sets of 5 Otis lifts. Anyways, now to release from 1 to 40, from 40 to 48. As well the Otis. As well some Otis is. 48 to 56 this time. Now 64 to 72 1. Supposedly behind this door there might be some meeting rooms, but I don't know. Anyways, now it's right, the service lift. Go to where now? Lower level. We made it to LL, the lower level. We made it here. A floor that would only be served by the 3 Otis lifts. Anyways, that's why one of them sets up. So I guess I choose this one. Now there's just 3 days I forgot to buy on this tour, and also the list from 24 to 32 had the empty indicators preserved for some odd reason. So maybe in the future update I'll get rid of them. Anyways, now it's out these lifts. Nah, not basement. Going to ground. Anyways, now let's get out of the building. The whole building itself. Anyways, that's gonna end this video here. I hope you enjoyed, and bye bitches.